Many companions of the prophets were tortured and killed. If Allah willed, Allah would have saved their lives and destroyed their enemies completely. Look at some examples. Sumayyah bint Khayat radiallahu anha, the first martyr in Islam. She was tortured and killed by Abu Jahl in Mecca. Her death shows that righteous may suffer in this world, but their reward is eternal. Yasir ibn Amir radiallahu anhu, he was the husband of Sumayyah radiallahu anha. He was tortured to death for believing in one God. The Prophet told their family, patience, O family of Yasir, your promised place is paradise. There is a direct affirmation that justice is not always in this world. Hamza ibn Abdul Muttalib radiallahu anhu, he was called the Lion of Allah. He was martyred at the Battle of Uhud. His body was mutilated. Yet the Prophet said, he is among the greatest martyrs. Mus'ab ibn Umair radiallahu anhu, once the wealthiest youth in Mecca, he died in poverty as a martyr at the Battle of Uhud. Even his shroud was too short to cover his body. His worldly loss contrasts with his immense spiritual reward. Hazrat Umar ibn Al-Khattab, the second Caliph of Islam, was assassinated while leading the Fajr prayer in Masjid Nabawi in Medina. Uthman ibn Affan was the third Caliph of Islam. Rebels surrounded his house in Medina. A group of rebels from Egypt and Iraq broke into his home. Usman radiallahu anhu was sitting and reciting the Holy Quran. He was struck with swords and daggers. Ali ibn Abi Talib, the fourth Caliph of Islam, was assassinated, and his death marked a turning point in Islamic history and brought an end to the period known as the rightly guided Caliphate. What is the conclusion? The Quran repeatedly teaches that this world is a test. Justice is ultimately delivered in the hereafter. The suffering of righteous people, including the martyrs, is not a sign of divine injustice, but part of the test. The reward of a martyr, Shuhada, is described as one of the highest and most honored rewards in the hereafter. The Quran and authentic hadiths highlight several unique blessings that Allah grants to these martyrs. A martyr in Islam will receive immediate forgiveness, direct entry to paradise, no punishment in the grave, protection on the day of judgment, a crown of honor, special companions in paradise, intercession for 70 relatives, the highest rank in Jannah. So these are the rewards for the martyrs. Those who tolerate suffering and injustices with patience will get the best reward. Justice will never be denied by Allah. Thanks for watching.